Welcome to Rebel Foods, world's largest internet restaurant company, pioneering one simple idea: one cloud kitchen equals multiple restaurant brands.
If I have to describe Rebel Foods in one word, for me that word would be resilience,
ever evolving,
scrumptious,
entrepreneurship,
game changer,
challenging,
opportunity,
passion, dynamism,
innovative,
infinite.
At Rebel Foods, we look at localities that can be served multi-brand specialty cuisines from one ghost location instead of leasing expensive real estate properties. But what powers all this? The Rebel operating system. Excellent food and great tech.
We believe as a model, we are beautifully positioned to not only do seasonal trends, but also long-term trends. So that's why, I love to think about our company as an infinite platform in terms of launching and scaling food brands across trends, across decades, across countries, across seasons. If you have to build brands, you need to have ingredient consistency across the board, across the country, across the globe. So when you put these three things together, culinary innovation, technology and supply chain, what you get is the Rebel operating system, on top of which we can keep launching brands forever.
It all starts at our Culinary Innovation Center, where our core team of super chefs work relentlessly to create world-class, freshly made gourmet dishes for our brands across cuisines ranging from biryani to pizza, from Chinese to wraps.
We start deconstructing the recipe and try to see if we can consolidate few steps, if we can automate few procedures. Accordingly, we issue SOP to all our cloud kitchen, which is absolutely flawless, foolproof, so that customer can get consistent food every day in any part of India.
Our culinary efforts are then scaled through a completely integrated proprietary technology, including both software and hardware, built in-house by our engineers and product managers over the last decade, based on business learnings and tech-first approach to solve real-life problems.
In whatever we do, we ensure we ask ourselves as to what consumer problems are we solving, or for that matter, if at all we get stuck anywhere in our decision making, we ensure that we put the ball in the customer's court for consumers to tell us as to what is the right way to go about it.
Everything across procurement, production, supply chain, kitchen operations, ordering platforms, customer service, learning management system, internal ticketing systems, and financial reporting is integrated with a fleet of smart devices deployed at kitchens across geographies.
How we look at it is like we have divided the stages. When we get a problem, we divide it into 4 stages: define, design, develop and deliver. There are a suite of hardware products that are running, from an automatic wok to a stir fryer to kitchen monitoring systems to visual AI enabled kitchens where everything is controlled and when like all checklist audits are done automatically. That is what we do. If there is a problem for the customer, we again go to the same philosophy of 0 to 1, 1 to 10, and we build products and we will keep on doing it. That is how we have built things.
Our goal is to offer safe, scrumptious, standardized and scalable food around the world. Then comes proprietary tools and quality assurance systems, which are based on robotics, visual AI and IoT platforms, helping us maintain a consistent output at every location.
So everything relies heavily on the data, whether we are doing cost efficient delivery, how we are defining dynamic polygons, how we are providing proper recommendations to the customer on discovery platform. So everything, if you see, the data science and data analytics is interwoven in our DNA in solving these problems. We believe in democratizing data across the org so that it enables other functions to take data-driven decisions. We believe in building stuff from the scratch, and we love solving the problems in that fashion.
You are trying to build brands in a category where everyone has an opinion, and yet there are no pan-India truly loved brands. And I think this journey, therefore, is a completely transformative one
not attempted or not succeeded by anyone before. And I think that is what makes brand building so special at Rebel Foods.
So today, we have 15 plus own brands such as Fasos, Behrooz Biryani, Oven Story Pizza, operating across more than 350 kitchens spread through more than 40 cities across 4 countries, serving in excess of 2 million customers a month. This platform now powers 10 brands ranging from delightful food startups to global majors growing on our network. We now have brands like Wendy's or Man Over Donuts, Slay Coffee in India or Holy Cow Curry Sauces in the UK.
We can partner with these brands, collaborate and create unique solutions for the end consumer. I don't think we have ever done something which is not keeping customer in mind. Right from taking orders on Twitter way back in 2012 to trying and get these brands on our platforms which are not Rebel brands. All of this is actually defined at the heart by the customer first thinking only. And if I look at Rebel as an organism, the main DNA strand would be customer first thinking.
We are Rebel Foods, and our journey has just begun.